The Artist Maturity Assessment Tool is a web-based tool that analyzes the maturity of a legacy application, in this case the Petstore web application with respect to its migration to a cloud, considering technical, business and process aspects. Maturity Assessment Tool requests information in a structured and clear way under 3 dimensions, technical, business and process, for both the current situation of the application, that is the legacy application, and future situation of the application, once the migration takes place. This information is provided by different roles inside the Petstore company: CTO, business manager, product manager or software developers. The questionnaire is structured in dimensions already described, areas which are thematic concerns, such as the business strategy, and sub-areas consisting on the minimum categorization of a certain topic. For instance, under business strategy, the sub-areas could be 1. Creation of the business plan for the new service offerings, and 2. Management of the business plan. MAT is based on questionnaires. The user is asked a question and presented possible answers and occasionally free text to explain the answer or to provide further details. All questions refer to the current and future situation, seeking always to characterize an application as cloud compliant, that is, an application that fulfills all technical, business and process requirements established by the reference standards, such as the SOC-CRA, ITIL, EFQM and TSCA OASIS. The results of the Artist Modernization Assessment are presented in 2 ways, online graphs and punctuation results, which are provided per dimension and area inside the dimension in terms of punctuation obtained versus the optimal punctuation that can be obtained. The more similar the answer is to the standard best practice, the greater punctuation is obtained for a certain dimension or area. Apart from the punctuation figures, the results are also shown to the user in a graphical way. 2 different types of graphics are offered to the user: a bar graph, for the areas inside the dimension, and a radar graph, for the dimensions. Other questions are also asked to the user in order to generate special reports for other artist tools. Apart from the graphical information and the figures, a set of reports is generated. End user report. This report is a document that can be stored in PDF form for the Petstore managers and decision makers, that includes all the questions, answers, punctuation and graphics generated during the maturity assessment. Methodology Process Tool File. The Methodology Process Tool file contains specific information to be used by the Methodology Process Tool for methodology customization. It is an XML file containing the answers of some of the questions performed during the maturity assessment that are useful for materializing the personalization of the artist methodology. Migration Goals File. This is a first model of the migration goals. These migration goals are deduced from the user answers, and generated following the artist's migration goal modeling language.